Welcome back to our channel Kausalya Speaks. Now, let us know what is type conversion. Type conversion means converting one data type into another. In Python, sometimes we don't do anything, but Python still converts the data type. This is called implicit type conversion. Okay, what is implicit type conversion? Implicit type conversion means Python automatically converts one data type to another. This is usually happens when different data types are used together in an expression. Python does this to avoid data loss and to make calculations safe. Rules of implicit type conversion. Python follows a clear hierarchy while converting types. Bool to int to float, float to complex. Next thing is int to float, float to complex. Python always converts smaller or simpler types into larger or more complex types. Let's see an example. Let's say a equal to 5, b equal to 2.5, and c equal to a plus b. Let's print c. Print c. Let's run this program. Here you see 7.5. Okay, let's print type of C with type function. Let's run this program. Here you see class float. Here A is an integer and B is a float. Python automatically converts 5 into 5.0 and gives the result as a float. So the output is 7.5, not 7. Let's see another example. Now let's mix an integer with a complex number. Let's take x equal to 10, y equal to 2 plus 3j, where 2 is the real part and 3j is the imaginary part. And let z equal to x plus y. Let's print z. And let's print data type of z. Let's run this program. Here you see 12 plus 3j and class complex. Here 10 is a real number and added to real part of y. So it results 12. And imaginary part of x is 0. So 0 is added to 3, so it gives 3. Here you see data type of z is complex. So Python converts the integer into a complex number and the result becomes complex. So in this video we have understood that we did nothing but Python still converted the data type. This is implicit type conversion. In the next video we'll see how we manually convert data types using functions like int, float and string. Thank you. Bye bye. Let's see you in the next video.